Well, hello, and thank you for joining us again today. I'm Susie from Mayflower, your training ambassador, and today I would like to show you a nice new technique for your floral department. Might not be new to you, but it is something that is very valuable for you to have inside of your department. Each one of these balloons that I'm about to blow up is going to have a 50-cent retail value on that, and it costs you pennies for these. So this is your hand pump I'd like you to use. You've got some ridges on the side, and you take the lip of the balloon, put it right down to the first ridge, and we're going to blow it up with 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today we're going to do something a little different, and we're going to have different colored quads. Why not? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to take these balloons, wrap them twice, and then what I'm going to do is take the knots, the ends of the balloons, and just tie it once, and that was secure, the duplet. And I'm going to do another duplet with multicolors. Here's another balloon, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take the balloon and situate it right between these 2 fingers that are around my pump, just so that it's secure and I don't have to tie each balloon once. And then 4 pumps again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take my balloons, wrap the tails twice, and then we just simply put a small little knot in there. Duplet and duplet creates what we call a quad. Now I'm going to take this quad and I'm going to attach it to the bottom of this beautiful orb balloon I have right here. So I'm just going to take the balloon and slide it through the thinnest part of the balloon, and then I'm going to take the tail or the string and just do a simple figure 8, and that's going to secure the balloon on beautifully, nice and tight. Now this is great in and of itself. This is called just a single collar, but we can add more to this. So I'm going to get another layer in here with just 3 pumps. Always starting with the pump down. 1, 2, 3. Wrap it twice. Tie it once. And 3 pumps again with my multicolor. 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. Wrapping it twice. And then taking the ends of the balloons and tying it once. This creates such a beautiful, almost a design work in your department. You can see that the balloons colors that I chose will match the balloon design. And again, I'm going to take the balloon, put it upside down, and just slide these underneath here, and then simply wrap my string around again, creating this look. And you could go on and on like this. Generally speaking, we go with 3 layers. So this time we're just going to go 2 pumps. 1, 2. And 1, 2. This just creates art. Much more sellability in your department when you take a little bit of time to decorate. 1, 2. Latex balloons have gotten wild with our COVID pandemic that we have. And each balloon costs you 3 or 4 cents, and every time you touch a balloon, put a pump to it, twist it, knot it, 50 cents each. So this is $2 that you're adding on to your already affordable orb balloon. Take this, put it on here, and then we're going to take the balloon, string, and just do a figure 8. Now this is super great and fun in and of itself, but what we want to add now is something that we call a twirls. Twirls are fantastic in that all you have to do is open them up by just taking the bottom envelope, opening it up, carefully removing the twirls, you're going to have a little adhesive piece here. Just remove that adhesive and then just bounce it about. Oh, that beautiful fun color. This retails for $2.99, and you're just going to take the twirls and just stick it right inside of these balloons. Look at what we have here. So we have just added on the value. You've spent less than $2 here, and we've added on $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. And you've spent maybe $2 or $3. So that is a great value for you. What a fun, beautiful piece for you to have inside of your floral department with minimal effort. Thank you again for joining us today at Mayflower. I'm Susie, and have yourself a wonderful, prosperous day.